Hi guys, it's Steven Bauer here. I know I said yesterday I wasn't gonna make a video today, but I've been pretty active the last few days, but I'm gonna make an updated video on my firearm collection. I didn't get any new alarms yet, still pretty much the same, but the time right now is 10:13 p.m. It's pretty late at night, so I'm gonna get started here. I brought my horn strobe down there and stuff. I had a couple arms up there I brought down. So let's get started. The first arm is the Simplex 494-9236 horn strobe, which I have tested several times. A Simplex 494-9327, which I'm not sure if I ever told you guys this, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is burnt out. And there's a big burnt spot on here. Let me get into a light here. I don't know if let me try to shine my flashlight on it. And this is like a true alert. One, two. I don't know if you can see, but there's a burnt spot on it. Anyways, Simplex 291-9549 horn. Edwards Firebell, Adopt-A-Bell, Adopt-A-Bell. A very, very old IBM pole station. You strike with your hand to break glass, which there is no glass in this, so Kitty smoke detector, Simplex remote strobe, 48904-9170, 76, 76, remote strobe. Simplex 4040 horn. An Edwards pole station, which I believe this is an Edwards. And a 1998 carbon monoxide detector, which is old, and which glitches too. A bullhorn. And two more horns, which you can set to like make different sounds. This is microphone. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. And in here, just some more stuff. I have this too, which doesn't work anymore. Last time I checked, it worked. But yeah, that's about it. And earplugs too. I'm gonna put this stuff away now. Hold on a second. I'm gonna keep the bell out. I'm taking the bell back up with me so that can stay. This can come up with me too, since it's one of my favorite alarms, but okay, bell. Boom, 5 minutes of footage already, wow. Put this right here for now. I got one more thing I gotta show you. Because I'm already recording for at least 5 minutes, so. Last but not least, my messed up National Time T-Bar pole station, which I believe it's broke. When I got this pole station, it worked fine. I pulled it, but for some reason this pole station, usually pole stations, when you pull it, when you try to push it back up, it doesn't go back up until you reset it, but this version, you can push it back up for some reason, but I mounted it on the wall a long time ago, I opened it, it worked, and one day, I couldn't open it, so, which was pretty weird, and I couldn't even open it, like it was stuck, so, I believe now this won't go back up. Because one day I was like trying to take this apart and trying to open it. I believe I accidentally broke the handle on this. I mean, I give up with this thing. Take my light with me. This was down here, so yeah, I totally give up with this pole station. If anybody can tell me how to take this off the wall, let me know. I believe when I take this off, it's gonna have a big hole below it right here. Not a hole, but like a big mark, I mean. But yeah, and I just don't collect firearms. I collect lights too. These lights, exit sign, and a traffic signal, which is in my bedroom. Anyways, I used to have a light that you hooked up to the ceiling, like a light bulb or something, and it beats to the music. It's like that same Bluetooth speaker I have, but the one I have in the computer room, but it used to go in the ceiling. Well, it used to be a light that you, like, when you put the light in, you would flip the light switch like a normal switch where you turn the light on, like normal, and make this doo-doo sound every time you turn the switch on, which was normal. Then you get this remote that you can change colors of the light and then turn it off if you wanted to, and with the switch on your normal switch. Which, it would beat to the music, but I didn't know how to hook up to the music. I got a weird story I'd tell you about that. The weirdest thing happened one night with that. I remember I woke up, it was 2 in the morning, I believe, or 3 in the morning. I had a bad cold at the time. I woke up to go to the bathroom. I went back to bed. I laid there, and all of a sudden, my light started flickering. I mean, the light that I had in there started flickering and changing colors, and it started making these weird doo-doo, 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 doo-doo sound, and then started playing this rap music. I mean, it was playing this rap music. I'm not kidding. It was playing this rap music, so I had to get up, rip the light out off my ceiling fan, kept it out for 20 seconds and put it back in, and didn't do it again after that, so what caused it? I don't know if it was interference or what, but yeah. You probably wonder what happened to that light. Well, I took it out one day, probably 2 years ago, because I wanted it out for some reason. I wanted to put my other bulb back in. I think I boxed it up, which I don't know where it's at, but that was weird how it did that one night. Then after that, never did it again, so I still had my camera with me, so I wish I could have caught it on tape, but I didn't have a YouTube at the time, so, well, this video is getting too long. I'm gonna end it. Ooh, here's my gumball machine, which I don't use anymore. I used to put gum in it and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. It's gonna be a long time to upload because it's so long. 10:22. Alright, good night, guys.